Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering tools and preparing a safe workspace for repair. Use a 1, 5mm Phillips and a 0, 8mm flat screwdriver for small screws. Add plastic pry tools and precision tweezers to reduce damage when opening. Set a soldering iron to 350 degrees C and use lead-free solder and flux for battery swaps and board repairs. Work on an ESD mat and wear an ESD wrist strap to protect sensitive circuits and microphones. Keep a small container for 1, 5mm screws and labels to track parts. Begin disassembly by warming the case edges gently for about 30 seconds. This softens adhesive and makes prying safer with plastic picks. Remove the foam ear tip and locate 3 external screws under caps using a 1, 5mm Phillips. Use a thin plastic spudger to disconnect the battery flex and ribbon cables without bending the connectors. Remove the old cell and replace it with a 3, 7V40mAh LiPo cell matched to original dimensions. Solder the battery pads carefully, using flux and a steady hand to avoid shorting the microphone. After repair, reassemble by aligning halves and replacing adhesive strips around the seam. Press the shell firmly for 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond and avoid gaps that affect ANC. Torque screws gently and do not over-tighten to prevent cracking the plastic housing. Reinsert ear tips and perform a factory reset by holding both ear sensors for 10 seconds until LEDs flash. Charge the case to 100% and run tests for ANC, voice pickup, and Bluetooth connectivity with a paired phone. If issues persist, inspect solder joints and flex cables again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.